Renting a car can be a great way to see and explore the UAE, but there are some important things you need to know before you hit the road. Let's start with the basics. If you're a resident of the UAE, you'll need a valid UAE driving license, Emirates ID, and credit card to rent a car. Some companies like eZhire let you rent with a debit card. If you already have a license from your home country, you'll need to convert it before driving. If you're a tourist, your rental requirements depend on where you are from. Most tourists can simply use their driving license from their home country to start driving, but there are some exceptions. On top of this, you'll need a valid passport and a UAE visa to rent a car. But that's not all. Car rental companies may have additional requirements like minimum age limits, a credit card, extra driver fees, or insurance proof. So, make sure to check with your rental company beforehand to avoid surprises. Renting a car can give you the freedom to explore the UAE at your own pace. Just make sure you have everything you need before you hit the road. Safe travels.